Hello everyone, welcome to the Power BI session. In this session, we will learn how to install the Power BI desktop. Now go to Google and type Power BI Desktop 64-bit or 32-bit as per your system requirements. Here you can check the full installation process and click on the download option. Once the file is downloaded, click on the setup file and run as administrator and accordingly follow the process. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to support my channel and we'll meet in the next video on how to make a stunning Power BI dashboard.